Cool.
The rumors of ghost cowboys running the town and robbing our gold is simply not true. There hasn't been any sightings in over a week now. Oh boy. Guess I spoke too soon.
Don't forget to see the mines, you'll have a blast. Come on by the bank.
I'm waiting for the horse to go by.
This here is our town now. Once that sun sets, you are the victims of our wrath. Neither the mayor, sheriff, or baker will save you. You will be fixed with the one where you belong. Over my dead body.
So be it. Whip it.
Guess what? I know those mines like the back of my hand.
Oh, yeah? It's good.
You better make sure you explore them later. The gold
All right.
rush, it's crazy.
Sure was.
It's crazy right now. Everybody's fighting for it. I don't believe it.
Deadeye. I'm sorry, Deadfield's twin brother.
Yeah.
Used to be sheriff of this town. Until they started shooting.
Ah.
Then he grabbed me and we ran.
I'll be right there.
There it is. Howdy.
Sorry.
I'm Mayor McCormick. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Mayor of this little bird.
Nice.
Yes. And don't worry, you're perfectly safe here. There are no ghost cowboys. They're not trying to take the gold. You're all safe. We're good.
Oh, good. I heard that was true, but no.
Yep. But I got this terrible headache. I don't know why. I think I'm going to need to go get some whiskey for a little bit.
It's probably your hat.
Yeah,
I think your hat's too tight.
probably a little tight.
But I do see you are a holy man.
Really? Yeah.
I know.
I
Looks
took
like
much stock in that.
at least one hole up there.
Oh, really? I didn't know that.
Yeah. Little mess up there. Yeah, fine.
Should be good.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, a little bit of whiskey, you'll be fine.
Yeah.
Well, I guess the rumors are true. Looks like we got some ghost cowboys out here. We're here to make a withdrawal, Pedro. Henry James. I ought to kill you for what you did to Mayor McCormick. We're here for the gold, son. Like hell you are. Sooner. Arrest these men. You got some nerve showing up there like that. I'll see you there, baby.
I love your fan.
Oh, thank you. You know, you should really trust yourself around this one. Make sure you don't end up with a bullet in the top of your head like I did.
With this
Trust
one?
these men.
I
You never
didn't
trust
notice.
either of them.
Oh.
never want to trust any men. Sisters protect sisters, am I right?
That's a good point.
Can't handle a woman being in charge.
Heck yeah.
All right.
I'll do it.
Do it.
Do you not believe me?
Do it.
I swear I will. I say I will. I swear.
Some evil's coming! Some evil's coming! I swear! There's some evil here!
Okay.
Please! You gotta believe me! There's some evil. Last chance! That cold there is cursed! It ruined everything for me!
That's
and it
fine.
ruined everything here!
Okay. Good to know.
He's always in those damn mines. I hope whatever curse they're talking about gets him and gets him good.
Yeah. Very narrow here. Whoa. Got a map room over here.
Where's the gold?
Oh.
Where's the gold? We need to go deeper. We need to find more gold.
Yes. Good idea. Someone behind. Ah! Oh! Okay. Oh!
Something's wrong in these mines, I tell you! It's wrong! It's all wrong!
Ah, it's fine.
Do you see it now? The boss's now!
Okay.
You gonna be quiet?
No.
No? Blackheart's gonna get you then. Hope you have fun with that.
Oh, I will. Come and get me.
If you're gonna shoot, then shoot!
All right.
Don't talk!
Well, shoot. All right, we got a bar. Hey, bartender, hit me with another.
He's a cheater! And a liar! He knows what cards I have! It's not fair!
Oh, man. Oh. Ah. They're flashing me. Oh.
Hello!
Hello.
I'm me. Every night I light these candles. I light the way for the Pale Riders' revenge.
Oh, that's very nice of you.
Tonight, they ride on with them. Let's bring back redemption. I came back for the revenge against the sheriff.
I
But
came back
his
too.
blood wasn't enough for me. These are all of my victims.
Ooh,
But
that's
this
a lot.
one has an empty spot waiting for you.
Cool, I'll be back later.
This is our town, and we're taking over.
Oh,
And we're getting our revenge back.
okay.
I need more blood, and I'll do anything to get it.
Good
You
idea.
see, I bet you the sheriff didn't realize that he had to keep an eye out for his own daughter.
No, you got him when he was down. Oh, yeah. I knew that was there and it still got me.
Best listen to your pastor, because the end time's in here, partner.
All right.
They're taking the town! They're coming for us all! It's too late for us! It's too late for me! You gotta get out of here!
Okay, I'm going.
Wait! Look at all these geese! And they're all mine for the taking. See if I leave your hands off unless you end up like him. Daddy
yeah?
Frogs.
I'm already dead inside, so it's, I'm halfway there.
Are they still out there?
I'll be fine.
Get out while you still can!
Okay,
Get
bye.
out of here. The devil's put me here. It's all about gold and money and revenge. I don't know what they're talking about.
Oh, you
Get me
do.
out of here.
You do. You know what you did.
Look at what they've done to my boy! Please! I just need your body parts to save him!
You don't want these.
Can
These
I
aren't
use
very
your
good.
eye? Please! I can still
Those are also
save
not very good.
him. Please promise me that you're not a runner! Please, are you a runner? Please don't tell anybody that I'm here!
Okay.
Please, if you tell anybody, we're all gonna die! Please!
I'll just put it in my video. No one will see it.
I need your help, please. Please help me, please.
Too late. Oh well.
Well, thanks for watching my video, y'all. Special thanks to Sir Henry's Haunted Trail for having me out for the media tonight. And remember, spooky season never ends. Yeah, I'm not doing hee-haw.